In this video, I'm going to show you how I assemble frames. These are deep frames, but the mediums go together just the same. So first thing I like to do is get everything separated into piles. And I got the nails here and have a hammer. I'm using Tight Bond 2. I've also used Gorilla Glue, wood glue. They both work great. And so the first thing to do is get the bottom bar, which is this one. And then I like to glue, so go ahead and put a dab there, dab on that end, and you take the sidebars. And go ahead and take glue. I like to get a little on the sides. And then the top bar, this right here. And a little tap. Make sure the bottom's in good. And then flip it over. The instructions say to nail it straight down, but I have nailed it down before the glue dried. I've had them pull apart on me, so I think you get a little more strength if you nail it through the side. So that's what I've been doing, is nailing it this way. Make sure it's flushed. That one did split a little bit. Every once in a while it seems like they split just a little bit. The glue will help with that. Flip it over, make sure it's good and tight. In the bottoms, I've just been nailing them straight like the instruction says. Okay, so the next thing you do is just wipe the glue so there's no runs. And then the last step, take the plastic foundation, put it in the bottom, and push in the middle till it pops into the other wedge. And now we're assembled. That's how I like to do it. I tried putting the foundation in as you build it, but it just seems like it takes longer because you're fighting everything, trying to get it lined up, and the foundation goes in pretty easy afterwards. So that's how I've been doing it. And if you see a better way of doing it, let me know in the comments. The only way I could see making this a lot easier if you use a air or battery operated brad nailer. That would make it easier, I think. But there you go. Happy beekeeping. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe.